Morning, April 15th. It's opening day of Kentucky turkey season. A little wore out, a little jet lagged. I just flew in from Washington yesterday from work. Fortunately, I got home with enough time to go out and find some birds, put some eyes on them. And where we're hunting today, I actually watched two birds fly up into the roost. I know exactly what tree one of them's in. So they're roosted right on the river. There'll be neighbors hunting across the river from them. So, you know, it's kind of a 50-50 shot every time you hunt birds like that down here, which side of the river they're going to fly on. But should be a good morning, nice and clear. I'm going to head down there a little early. It's still well within an hour before daylight, but it's wide open where I got to set these decoys up. So I'm going to go ahead and head out there and just take a nap against the trees. So, I'll bring y'all back whenever they start gobbling. Oh, I got him. Well, guys, I got it done this morning. As you can tell, this bird doesn't have a full tail fan. He's missing a lot on the right hand side, and this is that bird that I watched yesterday that was the dominant bird, kind of strutting with all the hens, and the subordinate birds were staying away from him. So pretty glad he's the one that ended up crossing the river. But heard him gobbling in the tree, but again, like I said, when he hit the ground, he never really gobbled. So I just sat here, was patient, because I thought maybe that one that was gobbling back and forth at me might come across the river and play around. But I look down and I see his white head come up out of the trees, and he had one hen, and he got right up around here, and I was messing with the camera, trying to get it zoomed in on him, try to get it focused, and I thought he noticed me. I think he was all right, because he started strutting right before I shot him. But either way, he was 35, 40, maybe 40, but I'd say 35 yards, and I plugged him pretty good, so he's down. That was my goal today, was kill one quick, because I have to leave at 9 o'clock this morning. And this is one out of my 2 mornings I get to hunt for the whole turkey season. So to get it done right off the roost like this is just a blessing I don't deserve. I owe this bird all to God. He was looking out over me this morning and made sure that I was able to come out and enjoy his creation. So I thank him for that, and I thank him for that every day. Appreciate y'all coming with me, watching. I'm gonna get this bird out of here and get cleaned up and go watch some baseball.